Kandao Meeting Ultra Series firmware update version 4.9. With the latest update, the daisy chaining of Meeting Ultra works more seamlessly. The secondary unit now supports HDMI in daisy chaining mode, so all displays stay perfectly in sync in real time. First, connect the primary unit's HDMI out to the secondary unit's HDMI in. Then, pair two units with a USB to C cable. Select HDMI in on the secondary unit, and all displays are now synchronized in real time. Standalone mode. In standalone mode, you can wirelessly cast your screen to Meeting Ultra using AirPlay or Miracast, or connect your laptop to the primary unit's HDMI in to display your content on the primary screen. Then link the two Meeting Ultra units with USB to C and HDMI cables. USB mode. Connect your laptop to the primary unit with a USB to C cable, and select Meeting Ultra as your camera in your meeting software. Next, link the two Meeting Ultra units with USB to C and HDMI cables. Air Link mode. First, pair AirLink with the primary Meeting Ultra and establish the connection. Then pair AirLink with your laptop and start sharing your screen wirelessly. Connect the primary and secondary units with USB to C and HDMI cables to extend the setup across both devices. Experience less cable clutter. With enhanced audio routing for external microphones, you can choose how voice pickup and speaker output work in your meeting. Choose Meeting Ultra for both voice pickup and speaker output. Or use an external microphone for voice pickup and speaker output.
Hi, I'm Michael. I've been with Kandao for 4 years and I'm definitely in Europe.
And with mix mode, Meeting Ultra and the external microphone work together for voice pickup and speaker output.
I read meeting and answer some questions. Now here is the meeting looks like.